Hey guys, good morning. Starting my day with a tea. Good morning guys. Everything was going good and all of a sudden this started. Rain. I don't know what to do now. I need to give my bike for service, but unfortunately it's heavily raining. I've done around 4,500 kilometers or something. So I'll go ahead and give my bike for second service. That is what I thought because I have a little bit of issues. Let me see if I could explain it. There is a crackling sound when I apply brake. It is coming from the rear suspension. Two lights which was on. If you watch my yesterday's vlog, then you'll know. So I'll have to check with that and then do a general servicing. So I think this is the right time to give my bike for service, and this is the situation now. It's raining heavily. I'm not sure how to go about it, and my bike is standing like this. I don't know when it is going to fall down because it is standing in the mud. I don't know whether I need to remove the side stand extender or not. I'm not really sure about it because at this point side stand extender is really useful, but all other situations I was facing a really big problem where I was not able to park my bike even in a tea stall. Anywhere I was not able to park. I had to struggle a lot. I need to find a spot, only then I'll be able to park my bike. Like those who learn the cycle for the first time, they will search for a spot to keep their legs, like, right? It is exactly same like that. I was struggling a lot. Okay, let's see how to go about it. But you see the water level is actually, I see a lot of water here, so I'm not sure how to take my bike out. See you at service center guys. Bye. It's been raining from the night. Let me see how good this handlebar bag is. Okay, you can try it. Very wet. I have things which are very much important. Let me show you what I have. This is my mask and it is completely dry. It's completely dry. You see it? It's raining from yesterday night and it was pouring all night. I'm so surprised. So this is the safety plastic cover which I use for electronic things. It's good. It's dry. So this is what I was very much worried about. I don't see a single drop of water here. I don't see this is how it looks inside. Okay, and here I have one more important thing. It's my 32 GB SD card, which I have it for safety. This is dry as well. Actually, this is the sound which I'm talking about. If you see, even if I touch my bike, I'm getting this sound. It's closed actually, so I need to come here on some other day. Luckily got brand new 100 rupees notes, and now we are heading to breakfast. I am so much excited because I'm having my breakfast in Tamil Nadu after a very long time. This is the place you get stunning foods like pongal, masala vada, all this, and you also get sometimes sambar and all. So this is the best place. Hopefully I get something. Breakfast irukungla? It's really big. See, this is the cash I got. It's all brand new notes. I'm going to Hotel Sangeeta. It's a Sangeeta restaurant. This is the first breakfast in Tamil Nadu after a very long time. I'm so excited because I wanted to eat pongal masala vada desperately. so excited about this breakfast today because they said it is combo and it is really around 50 rupees. That is what they said. I don't know what all I'm going to get for 50 rupees. Let's see. The food guys, and chutney, idli, one idli, small pongal, kesari, mini masala dosa, vada, hot sambar. Done. Sir, breakfast every morning ready on Kalala daily? 7. In Hyderabad, you will get only one dosa for 50 rupees. You get for 50 rupees here one mini masala dosa, one idli, two chutney, one sambar, one vada, pongal, kesari. Green chutney is really awesome. Guys, this is insane. It's not a normal coffee, it's a filter coffee. This is an awesome experience. For 100 rupees you get all this.
కాఫీ పారంపర్యం సువైమిక్క కాఫీ.
What the hell, guys? What the hell? I'm not really able to understand. Just for 100 rupees, I'm sorry, just for 50 rupees, you get everything. Oh my god. This is an awesome place. I really like it. You know why I showed you that wash basin? Because the cleanliness starts from there. That's when you can decide whether to come to the restaurant. So this is the bike park. This is the bike park. And this is the car park. Hey guys, now the weather is really hot. It became hot. It's now it is around 11 o'clock in the morning, and you check out the weather. I'm standing near Tenambed. I have delivered the package which was supposed to be delivered by me, so I have delivered it, and this is how it looks. My Rhinox bag look after it is delivered. Okay, I'm carrying like this. So this is my house, and this is under renovation, so I just came here to check how the situation is. So this is the status as of today in Chennai. Guys, came here for watching Manad movie. So the crowd is really huge. 120 rupees ticket. Manad movie. It's raining heavily outside. Actually, it is completely full. It's been very long time that I have come here theater for watching a movie all alone by myself. Feel totally different. So mutton is 300, chicken is 230.